All right, it's about 8:30 in the morning. I'm just getting ready. Got Myrtle all packed up, and I'm just about to head out of this campground in Troutville, Virginia. It was a very nice park here, really, really beautiful, and I was very grateful for the shelter because it rained a lot and all my stuff stayed dry. There is an active train just on the other side of this fence, and luckily the trains did not run overnight, and they started up again about 6 in the morning, which was fine. But I really wanted to show you guys this shower trailer that they offer. So this park is just on the Appalachian Trail and of course the Trans-America bike route, and they have showers and it's included. Yeah, check this out. So they have deodorant, shampoo, conditioner, toothpaste, combs, puffs, foot powder, gauze, all kinds of bandages. They have a box of clothes if you need some clothes. And then in this tub is clean towels so that you can take a shower. And boy, I've never seen anything quite like that before for a community park. And it's very, very impressive. This park is used by locals just for a walking. There's a walking path around it. So I've met a lot of people this morning. And yeah, very, very nice people. So, all right, you guys, now that I've given you a little tour of the shower trailer, let's get back on the Trans-America bike trail. Let's go. Come on, Myrtle. Let's go. Good morning. I am just leaving little Troutville Park. I actually slept pretty well. I woke up. My ribs are not as sore as they were yesterday. I'm feeling quite hopeful about that. Sometimes people say that when you hurt your ribs, it can be 48 hours before you actually feel it. So, you know, we'll see. But I slept pretty well in the park. The trains didn't start up until 6 in the morning. So I actually slept pretty well. And yeah, really a nice park here in Troutville. So today I'll see how far I get, but I'm thinking about going to Christiansburg. Oh my gosh, I'm just about 11 miles into my ride. Done 800 feet of climbing already, and had a couple of 14% grades so far already. Oh my goodness. And my ribs are doing okay. Can definitely feel them with these deeper breaths. And I definitely am huffing and puffing. Bit overcast. It's warm. There's no wind. It's really beautiful out here. just switched out my battery. I've got over 2,000 feet of climbing and 24 miles, just a few miles left in the battery, and I saw a place to pull over. So I opened up my trailer to get a battery out, and this guy was in there. I think he was probably happy. Oh gosh, he's on my tripping wheel. No, he's not. Good. Not further down here. Good. Yeah, he's probably happy to not be in the trailer anymore. I'm sure he's wondering, where am I? Really a big climb here. I'm turning, heading onto an even smaller road. Old cheese factory. Yeah, so this is coming to the end of the ride, actually. Oh, it's just been so beautiful. Oh, very, very challenging for sure. But my gosh, what a beautiful, beautiful area and a lovely, lovely ride. I have made it to Christiansburg, Virginia. Wow, today's ride was big. I did 52 miles and 3,700 feet of climbing. A lot of the hills are 10 to 14% grade. Absolutely gorgeous. Lots of quiet farm roads, and then it would go through forested areas. Really enjoyed the ride. And I could for sure feel the soreness in my ribs. My goodness, I was huffing and puffing. And, you know, you get to the top of a climb and just completely out of breath, go down the other side, and just as soon as I've recovered my breath, you get to do it all over again. And I could definitely feel the soreness in my ribs, but there wasn't any pain. I don't think I have any kind of fractured ribs, certainly no broken ribs. And I felt like it was important for me to ride today. I was thinking about taking a rest day to recover from flipping my trike yesterday and having the handlebars go into my ribs. It was very painful. I don't know, I felt like if I took a rest day, the soreness would probably become very stiff, and I thought it was better to ride today. And I could definitely feel the soreness on all the climbs as I was huffing and puffing, but I really feel like I'm gonna be okay. So today I got to Christiansburg, and I'm using the maps from Adventure Cycling for the Transamerica bike trail. And they have some options for places to stay, and the option for a hotel, there's no camping in the area. They have a budget inn listed, and so I plotted my course and I went there, and oh my God, it was really disgusting. I didn't feel safe, and the trike would not fit through the door, and nobody was there to help me to, you know, put it on its side to get it through the door. And so I ended up backtracking into Christiansburg, and I'm at an Econo Lodge. It's actually very reasonably priced. It's $58 a night for this room, and I've checked in for 2 nights so that I can rest and let my ribs heal a little bit. I'm actually doing much better than I expected today, and I think a rest day will really help my ribs heal a little bit more. So, all right, thanks for following along, you guys, and welcome to Christiansburg, Virginia.